What's up, Alphas? My name is Starla, and for those who don't know me already, welcome to my channel. So I noticed something really interesting on Etsy today. It is a clear signal from Etsy telling us what we should be selling right now. These are the products that Etsy features in their editor's picks, which means these are products that are popular right now, they're products that are trending right now, and they are products that Etsy is willing to promote right now. So this is a good indicator that these are things that we should either be making or jumping on. If it is a type of product that we already create, how can we make sure that we are enhancing our marketing and polishing up our SEO and our shop photos so that we can jump on this trend bandwagon amidst COVID-19 when everyone is stuck at home. So I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen real quick. We are looking at their editor's pick for ideas for staying in. This is what life has been for most of us for quite a while. And these are the products that Etsy has handpicked just for buyers who are shopping on Etsy. So these are some of the examples that we have and some really, really great guidelines that we can follow when it comes to products that we might want to promote in our own shops. So we're seeing a lot of different home items. I actually talk about this in a previous video where I talk about the things that are really important to shoppers right now and the ways that you should be marketing your products no matter what you sell. So going through, we're seeing things like unplugged activities. These are games. These are things that you can do with the family. These are puzzles and cards and things that you're doing with your loved ones who are living within your home. We scroll down a little bit and we see learn a craft. That is huge. Learning a new craft, DIY kits, sewing kits, patterns, and PDFs. These are all great things that we can market to people who want to learn a new craft while they're at home. Now, I just scrolled past this a bit, but when we're talking about things to do with family, there are also coloring pages and activities and crayons. These are huge. Kids aren't in school right now and they need things to occupy their time. So scrolling down a little bit more, let's see, we have reimagine your space. This is where we're talking about people are home. They're wanting to make home improvements. They're realizing that their four walls that they're stuck in are looking very boring and messy, and they want to try to refresh and do the ultimate spring cleaning while they have time. So we're seeing things like prints and blankets and wall art. And I see some different kitchen, what are these? Are they little kitchen things? I don't know. We have vases. These are all things that improve and enhance our nests. So home decor is huge. Organization. When life is chaotic, what we do naturally is try to organize our spaces because it helps us to feel like we have a grip on the situation, right? I know that as an anxious person, the second that things started getting crazy, I just immediately started deep cleaning the house. And now I'm on to working on the yard because I'm out of things to do in the house. So we can see planters and journals and printables and desk organizers, lots of great things to bring a lot of warmth to our homes and offices. Scrolling down a little bit more, give yourself a treat. We're talking about de-stressors, self-care, incense holders. There's bath bombs, candles, aromatherapy rollers, bath salts, mugs, all of these cozy things that make us feel more comfortable while things are stressful. These are all great indicators for things that you should be paying attention to right now. One more scroll and we have lounge in style. There's another candle in here, but mostly what we're seeing is loungewear, yoga wear, robes, things to be comfy. When you're home, there's no point in getting crazy dressed up. I'm wearing my nice sweater for this video, but down bottom, I got my American Eagle sweatpants on. I'm chilling. I am not putting on normal clothes no matter what you make me do. And that is how a majority of the world is right now. So if you can create and market your products as being cozy and bringing that loungewear to the surface within your brand, these are all things that could potentially take off right now. So I hope that you enjoyed this quick little tip video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you would like more content with me, or if you would like to join join me every Friday for my live streams where I answer your questions. Plus, I've got a ton of freebies down below that you can grab and download and print at home for free. And if you have any questions for me that you would like me to cover in future videos, feel free to reply to any of the emails that I send to you via the freebies that I send or any of the tip emails that I send you, and I will consider your question for a future video. So thanks, guys. I'll be sure to put this link to this particular Etsy page down below. That way you guys can kind of check it out and see what products are trending. Other than that, I hope that you have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.